Number 20. When are homologous chromosomes separated in meiosis? A. Prophase 1, B. Cytokinesis 2, or C. Anaphase 1. Number 21. When the body works to repair or maintain itself, what type of cell division is used? A. Mitosis or B. Meiosis. Number 22. In the pea generation, a homozygous tall plant is crossed with a short plant. The probability that an F2 plant will be tall is... So I went ahead and drew the Punnett squares for that. So in the pea generation, a homozygous tall plant crosses with a short plant. Here we have our F1 generation. So then if we put two of our F1 generations together, oh, my sticky notes are sticking together. We put two of them together. What are our F2s going to be? Or what it says, what is the probability that they will be tall? So how many of these are going to be tall? B, 50%, C, 75%, or D, 100%. Number 23. Situations in which one allele for a gene is not completely dominant over another allele for that gene are called B. Incomplete dominance, C. Polygenic inheritance, or D. Multiple genes. Number 24. A cross of a black chicken with a white chicken produces all speckled offspring. This type of inheritance is known as B. Polygenic inheritance, C. Codominance, or D. Multiple alleles. 25. Complete the Punnett square above to answer the following question. You can see I already completed it for you. What is the phenotypic ratio of the offspring? You can use the table below to help answer this question, but the table will not be graded. So, again, they're asking for the phenotypic ratio. Is it A, 3 to 1, B, 1 to 2 to 1, C, 1 to 1, or D, 1 to 0? Number 26. The above picture shows the cell cycle for a diploid cell. What part of the cycle is the same in meiosis? B, parts B, C, and D. C, parts C, D, and A. Or D, parts A, B, and C. True or false? Number 27. True breeding plants that produced axial flowers were crossed with true breeding plants that produced terminal flowers. The resulting offspring produced terminal flowers because the allele for terminal flowers is recessive. Number 28. True or false? The probability that a gamete produced by a pea plant heterozygous for stem height will contain the recessive allele is 100%. Number 29. True or false? If two speckled chickens are mated, according to the principle of codominance, 25% of the offspring are expected to be speckled. Number 30. True or false? Mitosis results in 2 cells, whereas meiosis results in 1 cell. Number 31. Complete the Punnett square above. Cross a homozygous tall plant with a heterozygous tall plant. So you need to know what homozygous and heterozygous mean and put the alleles in the correct spots and then decide or figure out how they go together. Number 32. Answer the question using your completed Punnett square. What is the phenotype of the offspring? Number 33. Complete the Punnett square above. I already did that part for you. What is the phenotypic ratio of the offspring in the Punnett square shown in figure 11.2? I also made a tally table below to help. So after looking at the Punnett square, 9 are round and yellow, 3 are round and green, 3 are wrinkled and yellow, and 1 is wrinkled and green. So knowing that, I can say that the phenotypic ratio of the offspring is number 34. Answer the question below and use a Punnett square to show how you reached your answer. This time you have to show your work in order to get all 3 points. 34. A tall plant's genotype is unknown. When crossed with a short plant, some of the offspring are short. What is the genotype of the parents? What is the genotypic ratio of the offspring? What is the phenotypic ratio of the offspring?